Hi there, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this video. I have included some tips and tricks for you to increase your customer flow and help outrank some of your competitors. So I wanted to go over just a few things. Your website is very modern, looks good. I wanted to let you know that it is lacking content for what Google prefers. Google likes to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words for content, and in that content, they like to see organic keywords. So I went ahead and pulled up your site. It looks like it's a pretty new site with most activity happening this year, kind of a thing. And it looks like you have 4 backlinks, 2 referring domains, and 13 organic keywords. Looks like you have a search volume of 70 for CityWide Mechanical, and most people are searching you in particular. I went ahead and pulled up a couple of your competitors on this one. Another great looking modern site. They do have several pictures on here, and one thing I wanted to let you know is that pictures can be considered content as well, as long as they are labeled and applied correctly. So they definitely have some content, great graphics, that sort of thing. Service areas are a great thing to include on your website as well. Looks like they have quite a bit of backlinks, referring domains, and organic keywords. Now with backlinks, I wanted to let you know that not all backlinks are created equal. Google definitely looks for quality versus quantity. We take a look at their organic keywords that they're using. They do have some national keywords such as furnace igniter with 4,400 searches a month with a keyword difficulty of 7, and they're in 8th position for that. So that's definitely a good one to have on your site as well. It looks like they have some service cost on theirs and call rates on theirs as well. And if we pull up this one, another modern looking site, they do have some pictures on there and their service areas as well, which is great. If we look them up on Ahrefs, they have 321 backlinks, 49 referring domains, and only 64 organic keywords. Looks like people are searching for them in particular as well. Here's a good one to have. Furnace Repair Alpharetta has 40 searches a month. So there are quite a few keywords that you could use as well. Looks like Roswell is pretty big with 200 searches a month and a keyword difficulty of 0, which put them at number 30 on Google. So that would be a good one to have on your site as well. And I wanted to touch base on Google. So here is where your ads are placed if you are placing ads on Google. Great thing to do to drive in more business as well. And this is what we call the map pack. Definitely you want to aim to be in the map pack, the top 3, and the reason for that is most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see for a quote. Down here is what we call the organic listings. You definitely want to be on the first page. Again, that helps rank you and drive in more customers, which will increase your ROI. I hope this video was beneficial, and if you have any questions, let me know. If you could please just send me back a quick review of some tips and tricks that you found helpful. That would be great. Have a great day.